goddess like handloom cotton sarees but don't want to spend thousands on them? Well, it's an open secret that a few labels and stores charge a bomb for such sarees. Hi guys, this is Sushmita and today I'm going to share my affordable saree haul from Amazon. These sarees are pretty and very easy to carry. You can keep them for yourself or maybe you can give them. So yeah, let's jump straight into the haul and see what all earthly handloom sarees did I get from Amazon. So guys, in this month of April, we had so many religious and cultural events, like we had the Navratri and Ram Navami and also the Bengali New Year. So I ordered 5 sarees from Amazon. These are Bengali Tant, Khadi, handloom sarees primarily. Yeah, that I am not a Bengali, just in case if you are wondering, but I love everything about the Bengali culture and I keep holding up the Bengali sarees just because I think they go very well with my body type. So yeah, I ordered these 5 sarees and in no particular order. I'm going to start first with this one just because I like the color so much. So this is basically a handloom saree with the khadi weave. Now this is not 100% khadi, but yes, it does have a mixed material and the color is super pretty. I really like the pastel colors. You have I think 5 more colors in this particular weave. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box and it came with a blouse piece, unstitched blouse piece. I got this stitched as per my measurements from a local tailor. So yeah, I am really happy with this one. This is a full length 6 meter saree and I'm so much looking forward to wear it. So my angels, the next one that I'm going to show you is one of my most favorite purchases recently. This is a soft Jamdani cotton blend saree. Now this is totally Bengali in the look and the feel, just because Bengali women usually wear the red and white saree on all auspicious occasions. So this one is extremely pretty and it is by Pink Loom. That's a very nice brand when it comes to handloom sarees. So this has a beautiful work on the pallu, traditional work, and this comes without a blouse piece, so you have to kind of manage with a matching blouse, but that's totally fine because most of us have red and white blouses. I'm really happy with this purchase just because the material is super soft and it is very easy to carry, especially in this scorching summers. So yeah, this one has totally won my heart. The next saree that I'm going to show you is a Bengali Tant saree. Now Tant is very popular among Bengali women and it is also very widely worn. So this is a classic red Tant saree. Now there are 2 colors available in this particular pattern. The best part that I like about Amazon is that for every piece of saree you get at least 3 to 4 colors, but this has 2 colors. One is in green and this one is in red. The next one is again a Tant saree. Now this one I like especially because it has a very unique color, pink and little lavender going all over. It also has yellow, so it's a very beautiful vibrant summery saree. This one was very reasonable. I think I got this one for 750 rupees only. This is the beauty of buying sarees from Amazon, just because you get beautiful stuff at throwaway prices. So guys, the last one again is the Tant saree without any doubt, and I bought this one specially to be worn on Poila Baishakh, which is the Bengali New Year. Now this again is available in I think 5 to 6 colors. You have green, lavender and so many other colors. So this one is a really nice sunflower mustard yellow and I think it goes very well on most auspicious occasions. Plus if you are kind of willing to wear it to your work, then you can simply wear it, just because though the color is cheery but still it's like not over the top, and the border also has been intricately done. So yeah, this again is a very nice summery saree, and also it is very easy to carry. It might look a little fluffy, but when you wear it, it really falls and kind of adjusts as per your body type. So yeah, this one is the last sari that I bought from this amazing sari haul from Amazon. So my angels, this is all I got from Amazon. These were all specifically Bengali handloom Tant sarees, and as I said that I love collecting handloom sarees. So yeah, and I was like pretty surprised with the prices. They were super affordable. I have linked all these sarees below in the description box, so you can just check them out, and also the amazing prices. So yeah, please do so, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Bye and take care.